Thank you for tuning into another JD video in which today I'm visiting another salvage yard in Newark, California to go look for parts for my new project car. Right now I'm stuck at the train crossing, even though in the middle of nowhere I figured nothing would show up. That's a big catch. Taillights at least. Ooh, be at it. Actually, it's pretty whole still. Ooh, interior, someone left it open. The seats. Yeah. Sucks, all the shit I want is way in the back. That usually means wheel locks. Get a lot of standing water. I'm not going that way. I'm going to go this way. A lot of Lexuses for people who need ESs. LS400, wow. Another ES. Surprised to see one of these complete old Mercedes at pick and pull. Figured somebody would want to modify this. Let's see what it looks like inside. And the leather, I mean, it needs a cleanup, but it looks like it's in great condition. It's amazing how these old Mercedes hold up. Oh man, they took the engine clear out of this thing. No, I don't know what that is. I think that's probably an Audi engine, but look at this Beamer. It's like crushed the windshield. So it broke the window. When oddly there's an E60 or not E60, E90, a newer body with sports seats. I wonder what happened. Oh, the hood is jacked up, so that's probably what happened. Somebody took the motor. Well, no, actually, it's still there. And this is what used to be an E90. Wondering with that windshield, the way it is, I wonder if it hit a person. Has the sports seats. Nice black leather interior. Taillights are intact. Just surprised I already see here a pick and pull, especially a 128 with the engine in. Well, what's left of it. CLK. Taillights are destroyed. The C-Class. I was looking into one of these before I got the E46. And of course, CLK again. Oddly enough, not. Well, this is a row of these, I guess. I didn't see that many at first, so this is where they're all hanging out. Older C-Class with the biodegradable harness. You can tell with the untinted taillights. And, whew, what's hiding right here? E46s. Came here because I wanted the headlights, but it's gone. It sucks. Motor's still in there, though. Another one, but the older body. This thing like an Audi or a Volkswagen. Oh yeah, definitely an Audi. Surprising. Doesn't look like it was hit, so they just donated just for the hell of it, or the motor died. Bunch of E-classes, 300 E-body style, pile of door cards. S-Class. Back to the E90. 46s. See what we got in here. E46 just like mine, but wall stripped. I guess I could try to get the door cards on this, but the other one doesn't look that nice just to practice on if I wanted to two-tone it. It's a color I probably would have wanted more of the Titan silver gray. Headlights are definitely gone. Nice touring. Wonder if it's a 5-speed or not. Rear-ended. Actually, wonder what that is. Oh, you can't see inside. Power seats, automatic. Pre-facelift headlights. Bug. Another bug down there. Then a Golf. The E46. Ooh, black interior. Let's see what this looks like. Nope, they gone. Headlights gone. Let's see though what the interior looks like. I wonder if this was like a Lemon's car, because this thing actually looks pretty interesting. And it's really clean inside. Sad, I wonder what it's doing here. Has a 7th row seat. Faces backwards. Classic old wagons. I like it. And a dual sunroof Previa. This crap is all flooded here. Oh, bigger on that shit. And I couldn't find what I needed, so I'm now in the San Jose yard. Hopefully, what I need is here and it hasn't been harvested yet. Yeah, that E90 went through hell and back. When the car I came to see is picked. Damn. Yeah, this thing looks like maybe they had to use a Jazz light to get back in there. Look at that. Door's like facing the wrong way. Whew. Well, so after 2 pick and pull stops, one in Newark and one in San Jose, I wasn't able to really find anything for the project car. Kinda sucks, or the new commuter. But I did find an E39 headlight. Sucks though, I did also try to return the old E39 headlight, and unlike before, they actually noticed, so I'm stuck with an overpriced headlight. When I say overpriced, it's because if you had joined the membership, which I did today, it would have been $10 instead of over $30. That kind of sucks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will also have a video of installing and changing the headlight. Thank you for tuning in.